No, McDonald's isn't replacing staff with humanoid robots. A video went viral of what appeared to be a robot employee at a McDonald's in Shanghai, uniformed, standing at the counter, greeting a customer. The coverage that followed treated it as a glimpse of the future of fast food labor. McDonald's ended up spending the next few days explaining that it wasn't. The robot in question was there for the grand opening of a restaurant inside the Shanghai Science and Technology Museum. The museum requested it as a temporary attraction. Just to be clear, the robots were part of the grand opening of the Shanghai Science and Technology Museum restaurant. The robots were requested by the museum to draw attention through a temporary greeting. Mission accomplished, McDonald's Global Chief Impact Officer, John Banner, wrote on social media. The robots were not involved in any service or operational functions, and if you didn't visit prior to today, you missed them, Banner added. The machines came from Keenan Robotics, a tech company that specializes in making service automation equipment. Their better-known products are the wheeled tray-carrying machines that have been appearing at restaurants for a few years. The humanoid line is newer and considerably harder to ignore, which, again, seems to have been the museum's entire point. The uniform is the part that got everyone. There's no clear explanation for why a robot doing a temporary museum greeting needed to be dressed like a McDonald's employee. Keenan described the appearance as a showcase of how automation is becoming part of global dining. The internet described it as McDonald's replacing workers with robots. One of those framings traveled further. The reaction makes sense given the context. Humanoid robots moving into entry-level jobs is already happening at some companies. The anxiety around it is real. Dressing one in a fast food uniform and pointing a camera at it was always going to land a certain way, museum event or not.